Hi, it's Gary Kayye. We're here at the Epson booth, and I'm here with Richard Miller, Director of Projectors. Hey, Richard, how are you?
Hey, Gary, doing really well.
Every year we have an interview here at InfoComm, a one-on-one interview where we talk about all the cool things that you guys are doing. But we always seem to start with the cool stuff you're showing. What is this exactly?
So what we have behind us is using 4 Epson 25,000 lumen projectors, mapping onto a curved surface. And it's actually a curved surface that moves. So we're doing mapping on moving 3D objects.
I did not realize it was moving. Oh my gosh! All of a
sudden, the screen comes out. So when you're standing there, you get a 3D effect of the moving objects.
That is really cool. So look, I want our videographer to show the projectors up in the ceiling up there. Those are 4. Which projectors are they again?
So they're the ProL 25,000 lumen WXGA projectors.
All right, ProL 25,000, and this they're projecting on a screen image mapping. And the reason why this is tough is not only is it curved, but the curved screen is actually moving. So that must have taken a while to set up, right?
Yeah, it's a pretty interesting setup. There's actually some actuators behind it that move the screen and match up with the content, so it really makes it pop nicely.
Now, obviously, you launched yourself into this industry not much longer than a year or so ago, as far as the rental staging, large venue projector market goes. Right. How's that been for you?
The business is going very well. We've done a great job in establishing our brand, getting the product out there, and building out the channel like we've done in the past in other areas of the business.
I think you're being a little bit humble. Aren't you kind of taking a leadership position in that market as well?
The product reception has been very good, and the business is going quite nicely. So
now, I heard a rumor, and I haven't had a chance to go around and look at it, but I heard a rumor that you have a 15,000 ANSI lumen projector that runs on 120 volts here.
That's right. We're showing at this show a 15,000 lumen that runs on 120 volt laser projector. We also have a new ultra short throw lens that will fit on that, so you can do 15,000 lumens with ultra short throw, and all of that is shipping in December of this year.
Yeah, and we're going to shoot individual videos on all the products here in the booth. And so all you have to do is go in our video search window and type in Epson, and you can see all the different videos that we shoot. Let me talk about the market in general. Yeah. It seems as though every time Epson moves into a market that they're not in, they eventually take a leadership position in that. That must be tough to do, because in the case of large venue, for example, you came from not even being in this space to taking a leadership position, and it seems that you've done that in most market categories that you've entered.
Well, Epson has core technology in projection with 3LCD technology. We have, many engineers in Japan working on all aspects of projection technology. So we really look at a market very carefully from an engineering side, what the market needs, what customer pain points are, and we solve those. And then we have strong sales and marketing teams, throughout the world to go after and build out the channel to do that as well. So it's a formula that works. It takes some time to do that, but we're going at it step by step, and it's moving along nicely.
Yeah, and also one of the key points that you mentioned is that you're committed, and it's in your DNA, the 3LCD technology. Right. And let's talk about that for just a second, because there is a difference between 3LCD technology, and a lot of times what you're competing with most of the time with a lot of your projectors is single chip DLP technology, and there's a difference, because with 3 separate imagers, you're going to have a much higher level of much higher color imagery.
That's correct. You get a very high color brightness, equal color and white brightness. And so there are one-chip solutions out there that we compete against, and we've done quite nicely versus that. And now we're also competing against other 3-chip solutions with our high brightness projectors. So, the core technology that we have, you get 3 chips in every projector from Epson. From the entry level all the way up to 25,000 lumens.
Yeah, and like I was just going to say, from the bottom to the top, it's the same technology. So you kind of, as you put it in an entire facility, you're seeing the same sort of color balance, color imagery, uniformity, and it's the same look across facility wide. And I think that does matter, because sometimes you get in environments where the imaging looks different everywhere you go. That's a key factor.
That's right.
Yeah, I want to talk a minute about, because one of my favorite product lines that you have is the BrightLink product line, and you made some big announcements about BrightLink today. Yeah,
the big announcement today at the show is the worldwide debut of our new BrightLink. It's the world's first 3LCD ultra short throw laser interactive projector, and we have 2 of them on display here in the booth, and it's 4,000 lumens WXGA laser, so you get virtually maintenance free. The laser light source lasts up to 20,000 hours, and it looks beautiful. And you'll see in the booth there's a continuous canvas that's a 177-inch canvas with 2 of these products linked together. So it's a really good work surface, and it's got the built-in interactive tools that's quite nice.
Did you see that it won a top 10 tour award?
Thank you very much for that. It was it's quite exciting.
Yeah, we don't even have an application process really for that, and you got picked for it without even knowing that it was even existed. But we picked those top products that we think that people need to come and see, and the fact that it is laser and short throw the way you're doing with that light output is amazing, and I think that that needs to be seen by everybody.
Yeah, with the full HD of WXGA and that level of brightness and the color gamut you get from laser, the image quality is just really, really nice.
So congratulations on everything. Of course, if you want to see all the products here, you can go to Epson.com or you can go to ravepubs.com/InfoComm2017. Type in Epson in the video search window. Richard, thank you very much.
Thanks, Gary.
Congratulations.
All right, thank you.
Great demo. I'm excited to stay and see it. Thanks for watching.